Hi everyone, welcome back to the online help guide. I'll take you through the Gemini wallet app installation process in today's tutorial. To begin, launch the Play Store on your device. Tap at the search bar on the top. Finally, enter Gemini Wallet. Then tap on Search. This is the application that we're going to be downloading. Tap on the install icon to begin the installation process. Allow it to start downloading. When the download is complete, tap on Open. Here, tap on Login at the bottom to get access to your existing account. If you don't have an account already, tap on Create Account at the top right. You can now use the application by logging in or signing up using the steps given. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.